What's the meaning of aubergine? Aubergine. Aubergine.
Aubergine. Aubergine. Aubergine is a vegetable that is commonly known as eggplant in North America and Australia. It has a dark purple skin and white flesh with tiny seeds. The vegetable is widely used in cooking and it has a slightly bitter, earthy taste. It is low in calories but high in fiber and antioxidants, making it a healthy ingredient to include in your diet. Aubergines are versatile and can be baked, grilled, roasted, or fried, often used in dishes such as ratatouille, moussaka, and baba ganoush.